Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a mukbang and I am talking about what happened last week because last week was something different for everyone in Texas. So let's get started. So this is what I'm eating, guys. I've been craving this all week. It's the jalapeno. This is the beef and jalapeno. I don't know, my mom says it differently. So here it is. I don't know how I'm gonna talk during this. I didn't think that through, but okay. Okay, and I had some jasmine rice and Pepsi. Yeah, so let's talk about last week. Last week we had a snowstorm, and that doesn't happen down in Texas. We don't get snow, but we had a whole snowstorm, and a lot of stuff happened during our snowstorm. Like, one, we didn't have power for a couple days. Two, our water pipes busted. And three, we didn't have any heat or electricity. So that was just crazy, you know, because that doesn't happen down here. And people are saying that, oh, you guys should have been prepared for this, or oh, you guys should be prepared. This doesn't happen. Well, it does, but the last time something like this happened was like 60 years ago. Okay, so on Monday, also last week I didn't have any school. On Monday, so on Monday, that was the first time we saw snow. The snow was so nice. It was pretty. And, you know, we played in the snow. Yeah. On Monday for us, nothing happened. It just snowed and we were fine. But, on Tuesday, it was still snowing and everything. We were fine. One of my mom's friends, she came to our house because they didn't have any power and they were cold. So they came to our house and then they stayed for a couple hours and then they got their power back. So that was fine. And right after they left, like around that time, one of our pipes busted and we didn't know until like a couple minutes later. So it was in our garage. There, like, we had a wall because, you know, our walls in our house aren't made for like this kind of weather, and our pipes aren't either. So the pipe like busted because the pipe, there's water that froze in there and it just busted like that. So whenever we saw that, we were like ayo, like what happened? So it just busted like that. And then my mom and my dad were panicking because like they didn't know what was going on. So one of the neighbors came over. They're like, oh, mine just busted too and I'm looking for help. So he was like, oh yeah. And then another neighbor came and they're like, oh, we can help you guys. So they like not punched, but they took a hammer to the wall, they broke it, and they had to like mobilize it or something like that, like sterilize it. And yeah, so right now we still don't have water because there's a notice. Like, I just got an Amber Alert during this video not too long ago saying that, oh, there is like a boiling water system that we have to do because like the water is infected in Houston. And like we have to boil our water. And they're even distributing water out. I was gonna one of my friends, she volunteered to like distribute water, and oh my gosh, she even got to meet AOC. Wait. If you guys don't know who AOC is, she's one of the, she said that she's running for presidency in 2024. She's a female that's gonna like try to run for president. So that's cool. It's not every day you meet someone like that. But she got to meet her. People are still sending out water. what we did was we filled up all of our bathtubs with water, and we're boiling that and using that as drinking water. Here's some jalapenos. To be honest, this isn't as spicy as I thought it would be, but she's using that. People are using, like, getting free water bottles, which is good. And yeah, I mean, most of my friends, they didn't have power for quite some time, and this is actually really bad because a lot of people have died because of this. You know, if you're in cold weather where it's like 20 degrees in the teens and you have no heat, our walls, they're not like thick, you know. Our houses aren't built for this, so that's why a lot of, like, even a little boy died because of this. And it's just, it's crazy. And yeah, but and I really feel bad for, like, if anyone that's homeless, they're out in that cold without nothing. So how are they supposed to, I don't know. And it just made me mad how some people had the audacity to say that we weren't prepared. I don't know. It's like the North, and it's everyone in the North saying that, oh, Texas isn't prepared, that's why you guys are, like, all dumb and stupid. Like, please, we're in the South. It doesn't get, it's not every day where you get snow. You know, it's like people in the North suddenly getting heat waves. Like, they wouldn't know how to react. But, you know, this is bad. Some people had bad damage in their house. So, I don't know. It's crazy. But right now, it's fine because, like, actually, right now, it's so hot outside. It's so, and pretty much this is, people are like, oh, why is all this happening? Guys, this is climate change. Like, this is what everyone was so worried about. This is what people said, oh, let's listen to the scientists. Let's see what we can do to change. This is climate change right here. Because, like, you don't get snow in Texas. If you let me catch my breath. If someone says, oh, it's snowing in Texas right now, what? It's supposed to be hot down here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is really good. But yeah, this wasn't, I really thought I wasn't gonna be able to handle all of this, but it's not as spicy. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it to the world. Love you guys and have an amazing day.